the moment I have been waiting for a week is finally here. I'm going to do laundry. Woohoo! I mean, doing laundry is not something I'm usually that excited about, but at these times when we are all at home quarantining, doing this chore, doing laundry is something that gets me out of the house, and actually I'm all for it. I'll take it any day. And if you've been in Thailand yourself, you will notice that the basically only way how to wash laundry here in Thailand is to come to these kind of laundromats. And that's what we're doing. Are wondering what's inside this water bottle. This is where I keep my laundry softener. Okay, now we have exactly 28 minutes, and this is the time that we can use to talk about what's happening in Thailand right now. I've been using so much hand sanitizer that my hands are hurting so badly. Oh, I hate using it, but I have to. I know it's not an option. Okay, I'm gonna take off my masks now because it's really hot and I'm the only person in the room, so I think that's safe for now. So now I can share with you what it's like being here in Chiang Mai and what's the situation after 1 month being here in quarantine in my own room. So basically, we are not officially on lockdown right here, but the government has asked people to stay inside and basically not go outside as much as possible, only for the necessities like buying groceries and going to work. And basically, I feel like most people are respecting this order, and so am I. From what I've seen outside on the streets, there are still like cars and motorbikes and some people on the sidewalks, but that's maybe like only 10% of what I usually see in like normal days here in Chiang Mai. I myself take the request of the government to not go outside very seriously, and I don't do that, except for going for groceries, which I did twice last week, and now for laundry. And also watching people from far. Sounds a bit creepy maybe, but like really I don't go close to anyone, but just like seeing faces of people, it feels so good and it gives me such a good energy to go back home and be productive and do things, because sitting in my walls and eating and watching Tiger King, it's not the best feeling in the long run. And it's actually pretty strange if you think about it. Like last night I went through photos of my previous trips, and I posted one from Cambodia, from Angkor Wat on Instagram. And I remembered at that moment when I was there, I was thinking how to get away from all these people. Like I was trying to find a quiet corner where to sit by myself and just chill. But now that I think about it, I would give everything to just be around people again, to be in the crowd. I miss that so much, honestly. So yeah, I guess it means be careful what you wish for. And another news that I read this morning, and these are actually good news for the people that are stuck in Thailand just like I am, is about the visa situation and the fact that we won't have to worry about extending our visas, because normally people come here for like 30 days on visa on arrival or visa exempt, which is like I did. 30 days, and then I extended for 30 more days because I couldn't leave the country, actually couldn't leave. And right now they have decided, the government has decided that all the people who are stuck here, they don't have to worry about extending their visas, and now everyone is allowed to stay until April the 30th, which is pretty good because there's still time to see how the situation is evolving and if people can start to leave the country and go back to their own countries, because I think the borders are closed pretty much everywhere in the world right now. So that's a good news, and not needing to go to the immigration again and queue up, because if you saw my previous vlogs, you will see that there were a lot of people queuing up. And here in Chiang Mai, it's not the worst situation. I'm hearing that in the islands, there are like way more people and the queues are so long that it's just crazy. So these are very good news, and I'm happy about that. I quickly went to check my laundry and it's almost done, so I'm thinking I'm gonna finish this video right now, not to make it too long, and I'm gonna be back with another update with you guys very soon, hopefully even tomorrow. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you are staying safe, being at home, and see you tomorrow.